I've actually had cosmetic dentistry myself, so I have incredible empathy for my patients going through the process of, for me, it was whitening and bonding. I'm not a very good patient. I don't like pain. My pain threshold, I believe, is incredibly low. So going through the whitening and bonding process was interesting, but the impact that it made on me was actually massive. I mean, I used to be what I call to my patients a closed mouth smiler. So I would just sort of smirk and I would never feel comfortable in front of the camera. And then the moment I had the gaps closed, so I've got quite small teeth, the moment I had the gaps closed with bonding, immediately, overnight, I would give a big beaming smile in every photo. And now, I mean, all of my friends will take the mick that I take far too many selfies. And I'm very, very comfortable in front of the camera or on video. And I think that's amazing for me to have that experience, because I then can talk to the patients in a way that really expresses how I know they're going to feel after they go through the process.